Hello, my name is Adia. I'm grade 4A. This is a hand coordination game.
Hey guys, I'm Abdul from grade 8. I prepare a game called Game 24. There's some rules. You have to use any of them, like any of the operations. As you can see, we have plus, division, times and minus. For example, like this, but you have to use all the numbers like this. 1 times 1, 1, 8 times 3, 24, 24 times 1, 24. As you can see, I used all the numbers. Thank you.
Grade 5, I'm going to be talking about math experts. First, we have a 2-digit number plus another 2-digit number. For now, we have 51 plus 15 equals 66. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Abdul from grade 8. So today we have this game called puzzles. We have some missing numbers and we have some answers. We will put the correct answer in the blanks. For example, we have 84 minus which number equals 68. 84 minus 16 equals 68. Thank you for listening.
Hello everybody, I am Ainur from grade 4. Today I made this puzzle for you guys. I'm gonna be showing you how it works. We have 8 odd numbers. We're gonna use them and try to find the sum of 30. And how we are gonna do this is, we are gonna turn this 9 around, okay? It will turn into 6. And then we use 11 and 13. So we put 13 here, we put 11 here, and we put 6 right here. We turn the 9 around, and it will equal to 30. Thank you for listening.
Hi guys, I am Hamad from grade 7, and today I have made a bridge that opens and closes. So it acts as a normal bridge that cars can go on, but you can open it by using a few syringes, like so. Or you could close them if you wanted. That is my bridge. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Vana from grade 8. This is my project. It's 3D shape. So let's do it. This one is cube. You can close and open. It has 6 faces and 12 edges and 8 vertex. So this one is pyramid. You can close it. And this one is triangle prism. You can close it too. And this one is rectangular prism. Thanks.